In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to back up your ClickUp workspace, both your raw task data and your folder and list structures, so you never lose your carefully built setup to an accidental deletion, a workspace migration, or just the kind of unexpected moment that always seems to happen at the worst possible time. ClickUp is one of the most capable project management platforms available today. And whether you're running a solo freelance operation or coordinating a team of 50, protecting your configurations and your data is one of those habits that separates casual users from people who truly rely on the tool. If this kind of content is useful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future ClickUp deep dives. And let's get straight into it. There are actually two distinct methods for backing up your ClickUp workspace, and they serve genuinely different purposes, which is worth understanding before you dive in. The first is a full data export to CSV, which gives you a portable spreadsheet-style snapshot of all your tasks, assignees, due dates, priorities, and custom field values. The second is saving a workspace as a template, which preserves your structural setup, your folders, lists, custom status, views, and doc layouts, without the individual task data. Knowing when to reach for each one is where the real expertise lives, so we'll cover both thoroughly. Let's begin with option 1, the CSV export. This is the method you want when you need a complete offline record of your actual task data, something that lives outside of ClickUp entirely, on your hard drive, in a shared folder, or loaded into a spreadsheet tool for analysis and reporting. To start, look at the very bottom left corner of your ClickUp screen and click your profile picture. This opens a short account level menu. From there, select Settings. You'll land in your account settings area, and you want to confirm you're on the All Settings tab rather than a workspace specific subpage. This is a detail that trips up a lot of users, so take a moment to make sure you're looking at the full settings panel before moving on. Once you're in the right place, scroll down until you find the section labeled Imports and Exports. ClickUp keeps these two functions together, which makes it the natural in and out dock for all of your workspace data. Click into that section and you'll see the Start Export button. Go ahead and click it. ClickUp will begin compiling your workspace into CSV format in the background. Depending on how large your workspace is, how many tasks, custom fields, and nested structures you've built, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. You'll receive a notification or a download link once the file is ready. When it arrives, save it somewhere deliberate, a dated folder, a backup drive, or a cloud storage location you actually revisit. A solid habit is to run this export at the end of every major project phase or on a monthly schedule, so you always have a recent and clean copy within easy reach. Now let's move to option 2, saving a workspace as a template. This approach has a different philosophy behind it, and it's genuinely powerful in ways that many newer ClickUp users haven't discovered yet. When you save something as a template, you're capturing the skeleton of your work system, the structure you've put real thought and time into building, your custom status, your custom fields, your views, your doc layouts. You're not saving individual tasks, which makes this perfect for preserving a workflow configuration that you want to protect or reuse in the future. To do this, navigate to whichever space, folder, or list you want to back up. You can apply this at any level of your workspace hierarchy, which gives you a lot of flexibility. Once you've found the item, hover over its name in the left-hand sidebar, and you'll see 3 dots appear, the ellipsis menu. Click those dots to open the context menu for that item. Inside the menu, look for the Templates option, then select Save as Template. ClickUp will ask you to name it. Be descriptive here. Something like Client Onboarding Workflow June 2026 is far more useful 6 months from now than Backup 1. A name that includes the purpose and the date means you'll immediately understand what you're restoring when you need it. Once saved, this template lives in your ClickUp template library and can be re-imported at any point. If you accidentally delete a space, restructure your workspace, or simply want to spin up an identical setup for a new project or a new client, you apply the template and your entire structural configuration is restored instantly. Statuses, fields, views, and all. For teams that have spent significant time building out custom workflows, this is an enormous time saver, because rebuilding those structures from memory is exactly the kind of painful experience that only needs to happen once before you start backing things up properly. One expert tip that brings both methods together: use them in combination. Run a CSV export monthly to archive your task data, and save a template every time you make a meaningful change to a space or folder structure. That way you're protected on both levels, your data and your configuration, each updated on its own appropriate schedule, and each serving a distinct recovery purpose. You now have everything you need to back up your ClickUp workspace with confidence. These two methods together give you a complete safety net, and building them into a regular routine takes only a few minutes each time. Save this video so you can return to these steps whenever you need them, and if you have questions about anything you saw today, drop them in the comments below. We read every single one and they help us decide what to cover next. See you in the next one.